Hello, hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and I am stopping by today to share a couple creations that I made with the January 2023 Not Too Shabby Box of the Month. It's Tuesday, so I'm also kind of incorporating a Tag Tuesday in here as well. So I did get the tag punch board and I tried it out for the first time on a tag for today. I like it. I think I like the dies a little bit better, but it's fun. I just think I need to use it a little bit more. And then I used the Love is in the Air stamp set, one of the stamp sets that came with the box of the month from Not Too Shabby. I used the Loads of Love stamp set. And I used the Best Friends paper pad and the Some Bunny Loves Me paper pad. Such a great box of the month. If it is still available, I will leave it in the description box below. If not, you want to be there on the first of the month and get signed up so that you don't miss a thing. So I am addicted to a new thing, of course. Seems like I keep discovering new things that I am enjoying. Pocket cards. They are so super easy and cute and fun. I made this one during a live crafting session in the Not Too Shabby Facebook group. I will leave that link in the description box and you can catch the replay on how I made this. I did use some ephemera, but then you can just pull that out and that's where you would write your note. So it's super pretty. And again, so easy, so quick, but very, very fun. So that one I did in the Not Too Shabby Facebook group. And then I was having fun, so I made another one. I wanted to use that truck, sending you loads of love. Don't know if you can see, I put some glossy accents, so it's like a window there. And then you can pull that out. And again, that's where you would write your message. So fun. I see a lot of these in my future. It's just something different and easy and I don't know, just cute. And then my tag, I used that little bunny, Love is in the Air, just card stock on there and some twine, but a super cute little tag. I just love those bunnies. So, so cute. So there are my projects using the January 2023 Not Too Shabby Box of the Month. I hope that you will take a look at this live video in the Not Too Shabby group because I think I did a very good job, tooting my own horn, on showing how to create these pocket cards. And it started this month. There will be several of us that will be going live in the Not Too Shabby group. I will be going live on the second Wednesday of the month. Then Crafty Al is on the third Wednesday. And then Debbie J is on the third Wednesday. So lots of inspiration happening over there as well. Again, everything's in the description box. Thanks so much for stopping by. And until my next video, go do something crafty.